Mercedes has revealed the all-new third-generation GLA, now available fully electric for the first time. Built on the MMA platform, the GLA Electric replaces the EQA and arrives in the US in the second half of 2027 with more space, strong range, and fast charging. The electric GLA launches with several variants. The entry GLA 200 Electric uses a rear-mounted motor producing around 224 kilowatts, or approximately 224 horsepower, and a 58 kilowatt-hour LFP battery, offering a WLTP range of about 447 kilometers. The GLA 250 Plus Electric delivers roughly 200 kilowatts, or about 268 to 272 horsepower, with an 85 kilowatt-hour NMC battery and a claimed WLTP range of up to 657 kilometers, around 408 miles. The top GLA 350 4MATIC adds dual-motor all-wheel drive for a combined 260 kilowatts, or about 349 to 354 horsepower, and 515 newton-meters of torque, accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.4 seconds. All higher models feature an 800-volt architecture with peak DC fast charging of 320 kilowatts, capable of adding roughly 270 kilometers, or about 167 miles, in as little as 10 minutes. AC charging reaches up to 22 kilowatts. A mid-size 71 kilowatt-hour NMC battery option is planned for early 2027. Mild hybrid combustion versions follow later. The new GLA is larger and more expressive than its predecessor. The wheelbase grows by about 2.4 inches, overall length increases, and the stance appears more confident and athletic. Design highlights include sharper lines, a more prominent front end, and an illuminated grille that can feature animated LED stars. Electric versions include a front trunk, frunk, while cargo space behind the rear seats measures around 410 liters. The overall look balances sporty crossover proportions with clean aerodynamic details suited to an electric vehicle. The cabin takes a clear step forward with a wide digital display setup combining a digital instrument cluster and large central touchscreen. An optional passenger display is available. Physical buttons are largely replaced by touch and voice controls. The latest MBUX system includes a virtual assistant that can appear as a living Mercedes Star avatar and supports advanced AI features such as ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Available equipment includes ambient lighting, a panoramic glass roof with switchable transparency, Burmester 3D surround sound with Dolby Atmos, and a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems. Rear passengers gain extra legroom, improving everyday comfort in this compact luxury SUV. In Europe, the GLA 200 Electric starts from approximately 48,600 euros. US pricing has not been finalized, but is expected to fall roughly in the mid-$40,000 to high $50,000 range, depending on variant and options. Exact figures will be confirmed closer to the American on-sale date in the second half of 2027.